Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure iOS is up to date and dictation is enabled in settings. This ensures compatibility and features. Next, test the hardware, open voice memos and speak. If audio is clear, software settings are next. Once done, restart the iPhone to clear transient glitches, then go to Settings right arrow General right arrow keyboard and toggle Enable Dictation off and back on. This forces the system to reinitialize the voice-to-text service and often resolves simple recognition failures. Now you tackle the middle steps where most problems hide. Reset the keyboard dictionary to remove bad learned entries and confirm the correct dictation language so models match your speech. Make sure microphone access is granted to the app you use and verify Wi-Fi or cellular is stable, because server-assisted dictation needs connectivity. If accuracy is poor, temporarily disable voice-over or noise control features. They can affect input routing. Once adjusted, run multiple short dictation tests and note changes in error patterns to guide next moves. To finish, update or reinstall the app you use for dictation and apply any pending iOS updates. App-level corruption and outdated system files commonly break recognition. If problems persist, try a force restart, and if that fails, back up and restore iOS to eliminate software corruption. Make sure to retest after each step. Troubleshooting tip: isolate hardware issues by testing with an external microphone or wired headset. If external input works consistently, the built-in mic or its connectors are likely at fault.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.